Hi YouTube. In this video you're going to see my worst verruca I had so far and how I got rid of it. As you can see, it really looked weird, and when I visited doctor just to confirm what it is, he said it's very strange looking verruca and it need to be removed with scalpel, but I decided to try myself before undergo this minor operation. The whole process took about 3 weeks to kill this alien. I started with garlic, as from my previous experience this is the hardest punch to verruca you can do. What you will need this time is fabric tape, Vaseline and garlic. Cut the fresh raw garlic into required shape. Don't forget to crush the surface of garlic to help it release allicin. Apply Vaseline around verruca to prevent skin to be burned by garlic. Place garlic onto fabric tape and apply on verruca. Avoid baths and showers for at least 24 hours. The longer you can keep garlic on the verruca, the better. After 1 or 2 days, depends how long you can stand the pain from burning garlic, take it off and you can take a shower and reapply new fresh garlic again. If the first garlic was painful for you, you can leave it just like that after shower for a couple of hours. If the pain was really intense, you can leave it for a day. Then repeat the process for 1 or 2 days and take it off. When I repeated the process with garlic, it started to be really painful already after 20 hours, but I tried to keep it there another day longer. I felt the garlic doing its job and my toe was like on fire. After taking the tape off my toe, it was really red and swollen. Wash your foot and try avoid using your regular towel on your foot. Use napkin or toilet paper instead. Then take tea tree oil and start rubbing verruca on surface. It should start coming off at least the first layer. Tea tree oil is very useful for removing birthmarks. After rubbing, take hydrogen peroxide and clean it from the oil. Next step is to apply thick paste made with aluminium-free sodium bicarbonate and organic castor oil. Mix these two ingredients together into thick paste and apply on exposed verruca. Use plaster and cotton wool pad cut in required shapes, and as you can see in this video. Apply the mixture on verruca and wool pad as well and rub around the toe. Leave at least 24 hours. After this step, take the plaster with mixture off and wash your foot. From now you don't have to do anything special, just keep your foot well clean and dry. Use hydrogen peroxide or colloidal silver spray on your toe during the day to keep it clean, and you soon will notice some changes going on your skin. Just make sure you keep it clean. I carried a little spray bottle of hydrogen peroxide everywhere and spray when necessary. Try to avoid shoes too tight on your foot. Me as a driver, I used to put sandals on instead of safety boots without socks while driving hours and hours a day just to keep it on fresh air. Hope this video was helpful.